Hey guys, in this Effect House tutorial I want to show you how you can create a duotone effect like this, so let's go! Hey again, so let's create this duotone effect here in Effect House. Besides Effect House we need also a photo editing app to create this filter. I will use Photoshop in this video, but of course you can use any other photo editing app of your choice. Before we start doing anything in Effect House or Photoshop, we have to download a LUT file. So go to the description, click on the Dropbox link, and then you will end up here on this site where you can download the LUTs. So here just click on download and you can download the lut.png file and also the lut.bsd file. After you have downloaded those files, just open it in your photo editing app. I will use Photoshop, so I will just open the lut.bsd file. When you have opened your LUT file in Photoshop, it will look like this. Now we go to our layers and select our layer, the LUT layer. Then we go to the top, click on filter, and here we will select the camera raw filter. Then this window will pop up, and here we can manipulate our colors on the right hand side. So we scroll down to color, this will be the first step, and here we will set the saturation to -100 so we get a black and white picture. Then we will go down a bit more on the right hand side to color grading, and here we can set the tones for the midtones, shadows and highlights. So I will now change the shadows to blue and set the highlights to orange. And you can also play around with the midtones, but make sure they are almost the same color as the shadows or the highlights. So I will give my filter more orange in the midtones. Then you can go down and there is also some blending options and also a balance option where you can also balance between the shadows and the highlights. When you are satisfied with the outcome, just export this file as a PNG file. So after you have exported your PNG file, we can move on here in Effect House. The first step we want to do is to create a new object here in our scene. So we go to Add Object, and here we select Post Effect, and then here we select Filter. When we have done this, Effect House is automatically applying a LUT over our picture, but we don't want this LUT. So we select the filter on the left hand side, then go to the right hand side, and here next to texture we click on import. And here from computer. Then we navigate to our LUT file which we have just saved and click on open. And after we have done this, Effect House will automatically apply our LUT to our picture. So yeah, that's all the magic about how to create a duotone effect in Effect House. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, it would be nice when you subscribe to it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!